Hey friends, in this video I'll be sharing with you 4 core skills that you need to succeed as a product manager and also get selected in a PM interview. And if you have not watched my previous video where I talked about 4 soft skills that you need to succeed as a product manager, then do check that out as well. And also link for that particular video is in the description, so you can check it out after this particular video. So the skill number 1 is prioritization. What it means: product managers always have a lot of requirements and they always have a lot of ideas compared to the resources that they are having. Also, they have the number of the tasks that they need to do on a day-to-day basis are far more than the time bandwidth they are having. So prioritization is about choosing what to do, when to do, and why you should do it, so that you as a product manager and your team will focus on the things that will help customers and also help the business to grow. And why this skill is important? Because this skill helps in balancing between the business goals, the user needs, and the resource constraints. And also it avoids you and your team to focus on the low impact tasks or the low impact features. And how to learn this skill? For that, I will recommend you to master frameworks like Kano model, RISE framework, Moscow framework, and value versus effort. In the next video, I'll be digging into all these prioritization frameworks in super detail, and also implement the prioritization in your day-to-day tasks that you are doing right now, in whatever the job that you are doing right now. Before we will dive into skill number 2, there is something important for you. If becoming a product manager is in your goals list this year, then click the link in the description over there and book a one-on-one demo call with us, because in this demo call where we will showcase you that how we can help you land a product manager role in the smoothest and the easiest way possible. Skill number 2 is prototyping and wireframing. What does it mean? Seeing a feature helps you in planning that feature in detail, and also it helps you in missing out any kind of the details or any kind of the possible edge cases. Because as a product manager, feature planning is one of the important skill of a product manager, and the better you plan a feature, the better your development will be. And also, you don't need to be a designer to become a product manager. You must communicate your ideas to your team, to your stakeholders visually, so that they can grasp it quickly and they can understand it better, and all of you will be on the same page. Why this skill is important? Because a well-crafted wireframe keeps the engineering team, the design team, the business team all aligned even before the development starts. A clear wireframe ensures that the development team will build exactly that what is intended, because such mistakes leads to a lot of costing to the company, because if something that you have intended to get built and if it is not built up to the mark, so it will levy a lot of cost onto the organization. And how to learn it? First of all, learn the tool Figma out there, and you will find a lot of YouTube videos out there for that. Learn it and start creating a low fidelity design of any idea that you are having in your mind right now. Third skill is user research and problem discovery. What does it mean? Product managers don't guess user needs. They basically uncover the real pain points of their customers or their users. And this requires deep user research to understand the exact problem of your customer before building the solution for them. And for this, product managers use user journey mapping, define user persona, empathy mapping, and from that they get the real pain point or the needs of their customers. These insights helps you in making right product decisions and also ensure that you are solving the real problem of your customer, not just any assumption, because it helps you in avoiding building any feature that is not important for your customer, and also which leads to stronger product market fit and also leads to a happy customer, which eventually grows the revenue for the organization. How to learn it? Conduct user interviews and surveys, and also use customer feedback tools like Hotjar, Typeform, user testing, and get a good grasp of these tools out there. Fourth skill is experimentation and data-driven decision making. What does it mean? Product managers take decisions based on the data, not just on the assumptions. And for that, being data driven is super important for you as a product manager. And why this skill is important for you as a product manager? Because it will help you measure the impact of features or whatever you have built in the life of the customers and also in the business growth as well. In product management, iteration is super duper important because product management is all about build, measure, learn and keep iterating the product. And data driven decision making and experimentation thing makes it easier to test and improve the product over time, because in the first go you cannot build the final product. And how to learn this skill? For that, start using tools like Google Analytics, Mixpanel, Hotjar, and also start running small A/B tests on website copy or on UI changes. These are the 4 core skills that you need to succeed as a product manager. In the next video, I'll be digging deep into that how you can master prioritization in your life as a product manager. And if you want to succeed as a product manager, prioritization is the first skill that you need. So I'll be digging deep into that in the next video. And if you are not booked your one-on-one demo call with us as of now, click in the link below in the description and book that as well.